All right, so we're headed to Maker Central, about to get on a plane, so let's do this.
Engage.
All right, so we're here, we're gonna check in, and then we're gonna head over to the NEC and see what's going on with the setup. Welcome to Maker Central.
What's that? Nunchuckers?
No! Dang it. That's not cool.
So let's see.
That's really cool.
That's Jimmy DiResta, Paul Jackman, Nick Zametti, Chris. Yeah, that one broke. We just did Jocko's and Collins.
That's awesome.
Pod? No. Yeah.
That's weird.
Did I do it okay?
Yeah, you did okay.
So overall, Maker Central was amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this little wrap-up video. We had a blast. This was the best event that I've been to, period. I mean, hands down, it was awesome. Every part of it. So I got some thank yous, actually. Thank you to Nick Zametti for coming up with this idea. It was just amazing. And thank you to everybody there's lots of people kind of behind the scenes that put a lot of time and effort into making Maker Central happen. So thank you guys who set up and put on the event. Thank you to Easywood Tools and House of Resin for having me as a demonstrator. I got to do, we were turning that peacock feather bowl, or platter, I guess, most of the time that I was at Easywood Tools booth, and we were making shavings fly, and people were having fun watching that. And then at House of Resin, I got to do a little stabilizing talk, so it was pretty cool. So thank you guys for having me. And then thank you to Jim Overton for getting me on that Q&A panel. It was really fun doing that. Hopefully we helped people out. It was kind of took a little while to get people to ask some questions and all that stuff, but once they started, they just kept going. Great questions, and we had a lot of fun up there on the panel. Just like I said, just an amazing event overall. And thank you to all the makers that I met. It was awesome. And thank you to everybody that came up and said hi during the event. It was great meeting everybody. Just an amazing group of people. I'm always kind of blown away at just how awesome the maker community is. So again, if you missed it this year, you definitely want to try and get there next year. I'm hoping that they do it again. There's been I don't know if they're doing it next year or not. But I'm definitely going to try and get out there if they're doing it. So I really recommend, getting out there. But if they don't do it, or if you can't make it next year, definitely try to go to a maker fair or a turning symposium, or, something like one of these events that you're interested in. It's amazing. You get to meet people that are like-minded, have fun, learn some stuff, and see some cool stuff too. So definitely get out there if you can. One last big thank you to Gretchen, my wife, for getting most of the footage in this video. I was pretty busy the whole time. I mean, I was kind of just bouncing around from place to place, And so she took the GoPro and got most of that footage, and it's really awesome footage. So thank you to my wife for that. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little wrap up. If you missed it, I also did a live stream from Maker Central. So I kind of explained some more stuff and kind of, you know, talked a little bit more in that one. So if you want to kind of see I did that on Saturday. I'll have a link to that replay, I guess you want to call it, of that live stream if you want to check it out. So guys, until next time, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.